OKRs can be used for all sorts of teams. So we've got an example for a marketing team, a sales team, an engineering team, and a product function. First, we're going to start with a marketing team example. So this team decided that in the next quarter, they wanted to focus on online lead generation. They did some brainstorming about the outcomes that they wanted to drive, and they came up with things like get more leads, grow the mailing list, get more sales. And they also wanted to make sure, whilst they were doing this, they weren't making any negative impacts on customer satisfaction. So then they asked themselves, how might we measure these outcomes? And they came up with things like leads per quarter, monthly newsletter subscribers, newsletter unsubscribers, and the CSAT score. So then they went on to draft the objective, and what they came up with was improve the company website's effectiveness as a marketing tool in order to generate more leads and online purchases. And then they used the metrics they talked about earlier to create their key results. So they came up with key results such as increase the leads per quarter from 15 to 30, increase monthly newsletter subscribers from 500 to 1,000, decrease the newsletter unsubscribers from 179 to 50, and increase the CSAT score from 78% to 95%.